Alex, get the chicken down from the car right now.
But Mama wants to show us driving first.
I said you should get the chicken down from the car. Can't you hear? Hey, come back here. Where are you going with that chicken?
Where is that she taking this at?
Stand here. Yeah, hello, babe. Yeah, good afternoon. You know some people can't afford anything in this compound. Yes, I got something for you, your favorite drink. And then guess what? I'm making you chicken soup this evening. Yes. Our day is going to be wonderful. You know, most people in this compound, I just don't know. They'll just be looking at you as if, oh my God, as if you have everything you have in this life. Just know that I got a lot for you today and we're going to enjoy. Yeah, babe. Love you. Mwah. Abu, what are you doing? Come on, let me open the gate. Are you mad?
Sorry.
Did you forget it? You are not hearing. I've asked people to stop going there. This village people are bad. They are really bad. Until they cut people with winch. That is where you learn.
I told her. You just went to go and play with them.
Well, you can't play with who? You went to go and play with them. Nonsense.
Where do we go? Here or there?
Let us call them, everybody.
Yes, I think so. Let all of us play together. Even though they say that village people are bad, I've not seen anything bad about them. They are good people. The only problem is just that they are poor.
They are our brothers and sisters, so let's pray with them.